This mindful pack is for teenagers and young adults aged between 12 and 22. It's got daily tools to support your mental well-being anytime, anywhere. So whether you're at school, college or uni, maybe you're just starting a job or just figuring things out, this pack is here to help you feel more in control, more balanced and more you. So start your day right. Wake up with intention, with short mindful morning routines to help you feel centered. Stay grounded throughout the day with simple tools to keep you focused, calm and in control, even when life's a little hectic. Unwind in the evening with reflective exercises and breathing techniques to ease your body and mind. And sleep well at night with peaceful audios and tips to help you fall asleep and stay that way. There's also tools for the tough moments, so when you're feeling overwhelmed, feel free to dip into our SOS section for calming strategies you can use anytime. You don't have to wait for a crisis to take care of your mind, so start building your calm today. Your journey to mindfulness begins here.